Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you some different AirPods Pro 3 cases with a carabiner. And as usual in this type of videos, the cases are gonna be linked in the description down below, so feel free to check that out at whatever time. And let's begin by simply checking out the first case. So the first case, I actually have 3 ESR cases. ESR is a really good brand that has really good, cool cases, and I think I'll show you. No, sorry, I have to. Okay, so I'll show you both. This is the first one, and this is the second one. Now, you can already see this one. I ordered wrong. It's for the AirPods 4, not Pro 3, but it doesn't matter because the Pro 3 version also exists, and they exist in different colors, so also don't worry about that. If you don't like green, you can get a purple or a black one. And let's talk about this one first. So it has this fun carabiner right here. It looks like this, really cool. It has magnets here, so it closes strongly, and it has magnets on the back, which means it does support MagSafe. And that's about it about the case. It's really fun. Now let's move on to another case that I have, this one. And it's a similar one, but now it has this lock. It also comes with a carabiner, and this lock actually opens your AirPods like this, and when it's locked, they are just closed, so they won't fall out. That is also really fun. Now let's move on to some other cases. So I'll show you a really fun case. This one. This is like a very pretty case, imitating the cassette tape, the music cassette, and it has a carabiner. But let's talk about the case itself first. So yeah, this is the case, and this is the carabiner. The carabiner also looks like a very good quality, and this is about it. As I said, everything will be linked down below. Now, another case is just a simple but a fun one with a fun print. It's a clear case with a print like this. I think for people that like music a lot, it's gonna be a good decision to make. And it is quite rugged, and has the black carabiner, just a classic shaped one. Now let's move on to another case, just a very simple one. And now this simple one actually comes with a cleaner tool. This is the cleaner tool, like this, and it just opens on both sides and has like brushes and stuff. This is the case. Unfortunately, the problem with this case is it collects a lot of dust because of its material, but it has the carabiner, and it's most likely very cheap. That's what I think it is. I'm actually not sure, but I'll check it. Okay, for some reason I wasn't able to tell you the price, but it'll be linked down below, so that is great. Now going back to the carabiner cases, I have a carabiner case by Spigen, whatever. I don't know how to say the name of the brand. And as you can see, this is what it looks like. If you like these kind of looks, then it's cool. It's really rugged, and it has a really pretty carabiner. This is what the carabiner looks like, so that's great. Now another case that I would like to show you is this one, just a classic red case with a hinge and with a carabiner. Then we also have another simple case, which is a standard clear one with a carabiner. It's also linked down below, so if you'd like a clear one, then you can get it. There is also a blue clear one, and that is really pretty. So this is what it looks like. And it has a circular carabiner, which is fun. Then as the last one, I would like to show you this one, a fun one that looks like a console controller. This is the case, and this is the carabiner included. It has the place for the carabiner, and that is great. And I hope that these videos were helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next one.